Most investors in listed companies have nothing to do with the day-to-day operation of the company's business. Indeed, that's rather the point. Anyone who wanted to be involved in the day-to-day operations of a company would likely be investing in a smaller enterprise where they could be closer to the action. Shareholders' main opportunity to be involved in the operation of a company is through the company's general meeting. For this reason, the Corporations Act, like previous corporations legislation, requires each company to hold an annual general meeting each calendar year and to table certain financial reports. Of course, a company may be unable to hold its meeting within the statutory timeframe. For this reason, companies can apply to ASIC for an extension. In this case, GEM Exploration and Minerals sought an extension, but the regulator refused. The reason given for the extension of time was that the company was part of a complicated corporate structure, and essentially unravelling the financials for the entire corporate structure was also complicated and was taking longer than expected. The company challenged the regulator's decision to refuse the extension of time. Chief Justice Bowen was unsympathetic. He said that the rules requiring reports and meetings form an important safeguard for shareholders, investors and creditors of companies, and that they should be relaxed only for good cause shown. In the present case, it was argued for the company that the evidence showed that the company had kept up-to-date records and had maintained a standing current appointment at all times of a leading firm of chartered accountants with a well-recognised reputation as auditors. It was further submitted that in any particular year there were considerable difficulties in preparing the accounts of the companies, and that this should be taken into consideration. Chief Justice Bowen considered all of this but noted, "It appears to me that while this may be a difficulty, it is a self-induced difficulty, and one which the company, if it chooses to conduct its affairs in that manner, is obliged to overcome." In other words, the company could not expect relief from a self-induced problem. From this case, we learn that whilst the regulator is able to approve extensions of time for general meetings and the preparation of reports for those meetings, those extensions are not handed out automatically or without good reason.